Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm sharing with you basically my hair care routine and kind of the steps that I take to achieve a perfect hair day every time. I was going to do more of a voluminous type tutorial, but to be honest, I'm not focused on volume or anything like that day to day. I just want my hair to remain straight, and I live in Florida, so humidity is the one battle I have day to day. And honestly, this withstands it. So I just wanted to share with you guys what I do for soft, naturally shiny hair, and basically you accomplish a perfect hair day every time. So what's not to love about any of that? Anyways, I don't want to make this a super long intro, but I have missed you guys. I'm so glad that you're here to check this out. Be sure you stay tuned for the rest of the video. Hit subscribe before you leave, and let's get into it. Okay, you guys, so that is it for this video. Thank you so much for sticking around to the end. I really hope you were able to get a few tips and tricks, and maybe you'll be able to accomplish the perfect hair day every time as well. If you have any questions though, please leave them down below. I'd be more than happy to answer back to you guys. Be sure you hit subscribe before you leave, and yeah, I will see you guys in a couple of days. Bye, you guys.